Hi everyone, this is Suzanne at Papercraft Possibilities. It's been a tough week if you've been watching what's going on in our industry. First I'm going to do probably my last unboxing. Here it is, and I'm just going to do a forward-facing unboxing. I did take out the paperwork just so my address isn't over everything again. I seem to make that mistake. I have these word strips that I used them in my last video, so I love these. Order more if you'd like. I ordered a bunch more flip-flops, and I'll be ordering probably more of those real soon, and you'll see why, because I love them. This is the new stamp of the month coming up. I believe it's for March, and I got it with the thin cuts, perfect for Easter. And I love this stamp set, which is still available, because it has things that you can use on your scrapbook pages or your cards very easily. You can use for both. Then I already had one of these collections. This is a new one coming out. I think it might be out already. If not, it'll be March 1st. Gnomes for Spring. And I already have the Gnomes die cuts. But now I have another one of just the paper packs, because I have quite a few things I can use it on. Several years ago, we were in the Netherlands at a place called Keukenhof, which is where all the tulips are grown, or, you know, it's kind of like a Disneyland. It's like a big, huge park, which is large, and they grow all types of tulips, and it's phenomenal, and you'll see in the pages that I'll be creating. So that was my short little haul. And let me just talk about Close to My Heart first. I have been with Close to My Heart for, excuse me, I'm closing my box, for a little less than a year, and then probably 6 months of that I've been really going strong, because right when I decided to join Close to My Heart, we decided to move from Arizona to Washington. And so I had to take some time off for that. Then I went to Texas to meet birth family, which you all know. So it's been a little bit of a, you know, kind of up and down, but for the last 4 or 5 months, it's been 100% go, go, go. Invested quite a bit of money, which is good, because I'll be using it. You know, it's product I'll be using, and I love Close to My Heart product. I've loved what Close to My Heart has stood for. And they've been really good to me. I've liked people that are above me. People have answered my questions. I felt like it was a very fair company. But unfortunately, as you've probably heard in the industry, they are closing their doors for various reasons. It's not one thing or the other. The owner of the company has been ill for years, and she needs to address that issue. The market has changed. There's so many things that went into her decision, and I completely respect it. I really do. I guess I've kind of had the feeling like this might be coming, but it's here now. And I think it's June 30th that they'll officially be closing their doors. We just had a new catalog that's coming out March 1st. Everything in there will be honored. There is a cardstock sale, which I'll be piling up on their cardstock, because their cardstock, you know, the plain cardstock, the colors and everything are phenomenal. So look for that. I believe it starts March 1st. So I would encourage you, because everyone's going to be going gung-ho for that paper, I would sign up for that. So what does this decision mean for me? And I've got a red blinking light that I need to change my battery. So let me do that. Okay, fresh battery. So what does that mean for me? It's kind of where I left off before I had to change my red flashing light and put in a fresh new battery, and it still looks like I'm a little crooked. Anyways, here we go. As you may have also heard, that Close to My Heart is not selling, they're just closing. But apparently they've been in conversation with Stampin' Up! To absorb the company. What that means, I'm not sure. None of us are. We haven't been given the details, and I'm not even sure all the details have been worked out. But I myself have done some research and gone with the gut feelings of what's right for me and for my husband and our family. And the one thing I do know is I'm going to continue to scrapbook. I will also throw some cards in there now. I've been wanting to do that because I do make cards and scrapbooks and various other things. I journal also. I will be doing all of those and not just limiting it to one. I'm not going to be concerned about the YouTube numbers. If you watch, you watch, and if you do, I'm grateful for that. But I'm going to kind of go out and do my own thing and still be on YouTube. I feel like I have some wisdom to share. We'll see. Having been in business for a while, prior to this, as many of you know, I had an interior design firm before I decided to retire, and we did all of our moving to Arizona. But I feel like I just do best on my own. I've always done best when I can be my own boss. I can take my company to the direction that I want to take. So what I'm going to do is I'm not going to be joining Stampin' Up! Because it's just not right for me, I believe. I need to have my own success or destiny made by myself. I don't even know if that's the right word, or words. I guess I need to be the captain of my ship. I'm going to try and build a relationship with other various companies. I'm not going to stick myself to one. There are products from many different companies that I really appreciate. Close to my heart just happened to be the one company that I just really enjoyed the quality of their product, the weight of their papers. I'm big on quality. So I will find other companies that are out there that I already do business with on the side. I just haven't featured them on my channel. Simple Stories is one of my favorites. 49th and Market or 49 Market, whatever that's called. That's another one of my favorites. So I will be featuring those companies on my channel. And hopefully I can build a relationship with those companies. So if you're out there listening, please send them my way. But I will continue this channel. I will continue through the March-April catalog with Close to My Heart using the product that I do have. But unless I need a necessity, a supply, I probably will not be ordering more product from them because I have enough and I want to bring in product from other companies to feature. So, and I do want to give a heartfelt hug to my fellow makers within Close to My Heart. Sorry, it's been a hard day, hard day yesterday. There's like Jama Mommy, has a channel who's directly above me in the company. And then there's Erin Concepts, Crafty Concepts by Erin. I've never dealt with her personally, but I truly appreciate her channel. They've been with the company for a very long time, as are some, you know, some other people who, they've been with the company 30 years plus. This is their livelihood. They support their families on this. And I'm not sure that they'll be able to transfer that over to Stampin' Up! With their position. And my heart just goes out to these people. So anyways, I will still be here. After a couple months here, I won't be with Close to My Heart anymore. I'll be establishing new relationships with other companies. But it's been a sad day in the scrapbooking world, you know, beginning yesterday when we got the news. The news came out bright and early yesterday morning. So if you have any questions, please leave them below, and I will see you all soon. I do have some scrapbook pages here ready to go, so I'll get those done. I didn't have it in my heart to do a video yesterday and put some pages together. I just needed some time to think. So until next time, please keep those makers in the higher positions, or anyone from Close to My Heart, please keep us in your prayers. Thank you so much. Appreciate you watching. Bye-bye.